Hello and welcome to Wanna Be a Chef. Today we are going to make eggless whole wheat pineapple cake in microwave, that is in just 5 minutes. So let's get started and know the ingredients. So we need 1.5 cups of atta, that is whole wheat flour. This is 3/4 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. If you don't have white vinegar, you can take lemon juice also. And I have taken pineapple crush here. So in a mixing bowl, first we are going to add our baking powder, our baking soda, salt, basically all the dry ingredients, sugar, and we are going to mix this together. And to this we are going to add our liquid ingredients, that is the oil, water, etc. So first we are going to add the oil, the 1/4 cup of oil, and to this we are going to add 1 cup of water. Next we are going to add 1/4 cup of the pineapple syrup what we have taken, and we are going to give a nice mix. I forgot to mention one thing, that this cake was requested by one of my viewer. Her name is Shruti Mishra. Shruti, I hope you like this video. Please do share with your friends and family if you like any of my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. And lastly we are going to add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. You can use lemon juice also with same quantity. Just give a nice mix. Our batter is now ready. Grease your microwave safe bowl nicely so that the cake doesn't stick. And we are going to fill this half the bowl. And we are going to bake this on high for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, just keep the cake in the microwave for at least 3 minutes. If it doesn't cook or bake perfectly, you can put it for another 2 minutes, but at an interval of 1 minute. Our eggless pineapple cake in microwave is ready. I have inserted a skewer and it has come out clean. That means it's baked perfectly. My cake has cooled down, and we are going to take this knife, butter knife, and we are going to roll it around the edges so that it loosens the edges. And we are going to take this out, and I'm going to show you how spongy the cake has become, or how spongy the cake is. I'm taking a plate here. I'm going to tilt upside down. I'm going to tap a little so that it comes out. You can see that our cake has come out clean. You can see the pan also. I will show you the crumbs. You can see the crumbs of the cake. It has baked perfectly. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for such interesting recipes. You can also share my recipes with your family and friends. You can also visit me on my Facebook page, which is given in the description box. Thank you and keep watching.